Welcome to the March edition of Zay's News.
I'm Renali.
And I am Pavitra. Let's take a brief look at the major events that shaped our school in March.
The Xavierites have made the nation proud by excelling in various sports and extracurricular activities at the national and international levels. In this session, around 33 students brought laurels to the school, showcasing their talent and dedication.
Congratulations to all! An orientation session for parents of newly enrolled KG students was hosted on Saturday, March 29, 2025. The session introduced the teaching staff, curriculum and guidelines for parents to support their child's learning at home for a collaborative educational experience.
In a progressive move, the school has introduced an online result declaration system. This initiative allows parents to access their child's academic performance from the comfort of their homes.
The school is geared up with the new academic planner for the upcoming session, including the school almanac and other necessary resources. This structured approach ensures that students and parents stay informed and well organized.
To promote gender equality and respect for women, the male staff of St. Xavier's took an inspirational lead in organizing the Women's Day celebration. The program featured a variety of mesmerizing and enrapturing performances.
The festive spirit of Holi was celebrated with great enthusiasm at the school, which was also documented and shared on the school's official YouTube and Instagram accounts, capturing the joyous moments.
St. Xavier School has commenced the implementation of the Holistic Progress Card HPC in alignment with the National Education Policy NEP from foundational stage. The results for the academic session 2024-25 for KG1 to Class 2 were declared on March 24, 2025.
The school congratulates Mrs. Rashmi Singh, our dance teacher, on receiving the prestigious Madhya Pradesh Gaurav Ratna Award and the Women's Icon Award from the Women's World Record Foundation.
That's awesome, ma'am! The school is utilizing the vacation period for essential infrastructure maintenance while students are at home. Well, ensuring a safe and well-maintained environment is the management's constant endeavor.
The bi-monthly e-magazines of the school for January and February 2025 has been released, grabbing huge appreciation.
Another feather added to our cap. The school proudly congratulates Shruti Rathore for winning a silver medal in 4th Indian Open Jump competition held at Anju Bobby High Performance Center, Bengaluru.
As St. Xavier's is designated as a center for both examinations and evaluations, the school is maintaining strict vigilance to ensure smooth and efficient conduct of these crucial activities.
Under the able mentorship of Ms. Shilpi, our students participated in Navomesh Science Investors Fest and bagged first runners-up trophy and a cash prize of Rs 10,000.
Kudos to the team! Zay's family celebrated the birthday of Reverend Sister Flory, OSB, on 27th March and extended warm wishes for her well-being.
That's all for now from Zay's campus. Stay tuned!